Imagine a world where social media is no longer just a platform, but an extension of your mind, senses, and even existence. In 2098, technology will redefine human connection in ways we never thought possible. 1. Mind-to-mind communication networks. Social media will evolve beyond screens, allowing direct brain-to-brain interactions using neural implants. People will share thoughts, emotions, and experiences instantly, making typing and texting obsolete. 2. AI-generated virtual influencers. AI-driven avatars will dominate social platforms, replacing human influencers. These AI entities will create hyper-personalized content, responding in real time to audience emotions. 3. Emotion-based social algorithms. Platforms will detect and analyze emotions, curating content based on your mood. Your newsfeed will adjust dynamically to keep you engaged, whether you're happy, sad, or curious. 4. Fully immersive holographic social media. Instead of scrolling through posts, users will step into 3D holographic environment. Social interactions will feel like real-life conversations, making traditional video calls outdated. 5. Time-locked content from the future. Users will be able to send posts, videos, or messages into the future, unlocking them at specific dates. This feature will create a form of digital time travel, preserving moments for future generations. 6. No more fake identities. Advanced biometric verification will eliminate fake profiles and catfishing. Users will be required to link their digital presence to their unique DNA or neural signature. 7. AI-moderated societies. AI systems will regulate social discourse, blocking hate speech and misinformation in real time. Some societies may even allow AI to govern online communities, acting as digital lawmakers. 8. Digital afterlife and posthumous posting. Social media will allow deceased individuals to continue posting through AI-trained digital clones. Friends and family will interact with these AI ghosts, keeping memories alive forever. 9. Sensory sharing experiences. Users will not only share photos and videos, but also real-time sensory experiences like taste, touch, and smell. A person enjoying coffee in Paris could transmit the taste and aroma directly to a friend in another country. 10. Social credit and reputation systems. Every interaction will contribute to a global reputation score, affecting access to services, jobs, and social circles. Likes and shares will be replaced by real-world credibility, making social standing more impactful than ever. The future of social media isn't just about connecting people, it's about merging realities, reshaping identities, and even defying death. Are we ready for what comes next? The future is coming fast. Don't just watch it, be part of it. Hit subscribe and stay ahead of the revolution.